How to fix Instagram can't add audio or music to Reels easy and fast. Hello guys. So first thing you want to do is go to the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager and go to the apps like this, and now you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading the apps that you have on your phone. After that you have to go into the Instagram right here and click on this force stop and then go to the data usage and scroll down, disable the roaming data, go back and click on the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data and clear cache, and then go to the Play Store and search for Instagram and update it from here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.